Hi everyone, today we are replacing the battery on an iPhone SE 2020. This guide will help you fix it yourself. Let's get started. First, turn off the phone and remove the two Pentalobe screws at the bottom using a Pentalobe screwdriver. This is the first screw. And this is the second one. Next, we use a thin sheet or a plastic pry tool to gently lift the screen. Be careful, don't pull too hard because there are flex cables attached inside on the right hand. Now we remove the metal covering securing the battery and display connectors using a Phillips screwdriver. Then carefully disconnect the battery first to avoid short circuits. We use tweezers to remove the metal cover and disconnect the battery to avoid short circuits. It's very important. Be careful. Using a syringe, we inject alcohol under the battery to loosen the adhesive. The battery is glued down with strong adhesive strips. We can pull the black tabs to remove them or use a little isopropyl alcohol to loosen the glue. If needed, gently pry the battery out with a plastic tool. This is the new battery. Place the new battery in position and secure it using double-sided adhesive tape. Connect the battery back to the logic board. Screw the metal bracket back on and carefully close the screen. Make sure everything is lined before pressing it down. Be careful about this flex of the screen, and be sure everything is aligned before pressing it down. If everything looks good, reinstall the Pentalobe screws and you're done. And that's it. A brand new battery for your iPhone SE 2020. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe Mr. Repairs for more DIY phone repair videos. Thank you for watching.